To use Best Places neighborhood rankings. Start by visiting the Best Places website and navigating to the Neighborhood Rankings section. Here you will find a comprehensive database of neighborhoods across the United States, each with its own unique ranking based on various criteria such as cost of living, education, and crime rates. First, enter the city or zip code of the area you are interested in to narrow down your search. You can then filter the results by selecting specific criteria such as population size, median home price, and commute time. This will help you to find neighborhoods that fit your specific needs and preferences. Next, review the overall ranking of each neighborhood, which is based on a combination of factors including housing, education, and healthcare. You can also view detailed reports on each neighborhood, which provide more in-depth information on topics such as demographics, crime rates, and local amenities. When evaluating neighborhoods, consider factors such as the quality of local schools, the commute time to work, and the availability of amenities such as parks and shopping centers. You can also use the Best Places cost of living calculator to compare the cost of living in different neighborhoods and determine which one is most affordable for you. To get the most out of the Best Places neighborhood rankings, it is a good idea to create a free account, which will allow you to save your favorite neighborhoods and track changes in their rankings over time. You can also use the website's mapping tool to visualize the location of different neighborhoods and get a better sense of the local area. By following these steps and using the Best Places neighborhood rankings, you can make an informed decision when choosing a neighborhood to live in. Whether you are relocating for work, looking for a new home, or simply wanting to learn more about your current neighborhood,